Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, there was a heat wave in the northern part of India. And in that heat wave, most of our plants died. Bougainvillea is a strong plant and can tolerate high temperatures. But during this time, our Bougainvillea plant also died. We had many types of Bougainvillea plant, but right now we only have a few. The ones that survived the heat wave have some few leaves and are growing new ones. And some have started giving flowerings. So today my mom is going to be taking care of this plant. So first my mom is digging the soil. Digging the soil helps in aeration and it also helps the roots to absorb the fertilizer even better. During this time there is no need of fertilizers, but if you wish to, you can give liquid fertilizers. Also, if any of you want to plant your Bougainvillea plant, then do it right now. You can easily do it from cuttings or buy it from a nursery store. Also, in this time, make sure your plant receives 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. And there's no need of watering during this rainy season, but if you wish to, you can water when the topsoil is dry. Also, many people ask what to do if we have pest problems in our Bougainvillea. These plants are normally pest-free, but if your plant still has any kind of pest problems, then make sure to spray Bioenzyme on your plants. Now let me tell you about the liquid fertilizer that we are going to give. First, let me teach you how you can make this very easily in your home. So you simply have to soak the onions for 24 hours in water. After that, make sure to dilute the solution. Then you can easily give it to your plants. That's all for today. I hope in this monsoon our plants get many flowerings. I also hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.